Hi guys, today I'm gonna use this German King Tiger to destroy this Sherman. It's just a super cool, ready to run 1/30th Sherman tank. It just looks so cool. Look at this awesome tank. This is 1/16th tank with BB firing gun, which I upgraded to real one. Which you want to make, click the link. Finally, some action. I am going to use two types of tank ammo, a PFSDS and a PBC. Now let's lock and load.
Panzerbrechende Munition laden! Sprenggranaten laden! Feuer! Gegner direkt vor uns! Gegner von rechts!
Wow, this is crazy. It penetrates from here and went through from here.
Feuer! Gegner direkt vor uns! Gegner von rechts!
This round ricochet, no penetration.
Feuer! Gegner direkt vor uns! Gegner von rechts!
This is insane. This round did penetrate but stuck. If you like the video, like and subscribe.